Hi anak, today is the day, your big day, or let me say, my big day. Time flies so fast. You're already 1 year old. Didn't expect na darating sa buhay ko, sa buhay namin ni Dada. The first time that I knew that I was pregnant, I'm not gonna deny it, but I was so scared. I don't know what to do. Matatakot ako siguro. More feeling ng mga mommy at magiging mommy ba. My situation is different. And I'm gonna explain that to you when you grow up. But for now, let me be just your everything. Yeah. So, yep. Like I said, at first, I'm really scared. I don't know how I'm gonna say to people that I'm pregnant, especially to your Dada. I'm scared for people's judgment, but then I decided to tell that to your Dada, and it didn't turn out good, but, yeah. Sobrang dami kong pinagdaanan to the point that I start questioning myself kung magiging mabuting nanay kaya ako sa'yo, or kaya ko na ba talagang maging mommy? Ready na ba ako? But then, I prayed to God over and over. I asked Him for forgiveness and guidance to help me through it. And God didn't fail me. He never did. He gave me strength, so I decided to embrace the blessing that He gave me, which is you. I trusted Him because I know He has a better plan for me, for us. I got so excited to see you. Although sobrang hirap ng sitwasyon ko, every night I'm crying. I'm so depressed. But there is no impossible when you have God. And so, fast forward. The big day came. I'm about to see the best ever gift that God gave me. I'm not 40 weeks pregnant yet. Hindi rin ako 39 weeks, 38, or 37. But 36 weeks and 4 days, so I'm kind of really nervous. So yun, kailangan nila akong paanakin ng maaga kasi yung heart rate mo bumabagsak. So na-admit ako sa hospital ng February 11. Ang dami nilang ginagawang test, and oras-oras kailangan nila akong tusukin. Yeah, they have to poke me to get my sugar level kasi yung pasaway si mami. Tapos, yeah, it hurt really bad. Ay naata yung pinakamasakit na naranasan ni mami sa buong buhay niya. But worth it. So, February 13, 2020, 10:34 p.m. We finally met you. Dada cut the cord, and then they put you in my chest. You so tiny little cutie. I don't know what to feel that day, cause by the time that I held you, my world just stopped. That's the first time na naranasan ko yung sinasabi nila na love at first sight. Na yung mga boses ng mga nurse, yung dalawang doktor na nagpaanak kay mami, si Lola Tita, tsaka ni Dada, halos di ko na marinig kasi mas nangingibabaw si tenga ko yung pag-iyak mo. Na yung paligid ko nag-start maging blurred. Para bang nag-slow mo. Basta yung nag-iisang malinaw na nakikita ko ikaw. My heart was beating so fast. And I felt those butterflies inside my stomach. And I kept talking to God, thanking Him because He gave me you. It was just so magical. And so I called Mamo and Papa back home to the Philippines again to show them my precious one. But that would be more better kung nandun sila that time na makita ko nila personally. But it's okay. Bibisita na tayo sa kanila in a few months. So, yeah, we stayed in the hospital hanggang February 16. Kasi nagkaroon ko ng komplikasyon sa puso. Nakita nila na may butas ka sa puso. 2 butas sa puso mo. At first, I blame myself kasi mga panahong buntis ako sa'yo, halos araw-araw, iyak ako ng iyak. Pero kahit may ganyan ka, sobrang hindi mo pinahirapan si mami. Hindi tayo nagpabalik-balik sa hospital. Hindi, wala kang prescriptions ng any kind of medicines. Kaya sobrang blessed mo. At sobrang blessed ko kami ni Dada. Basta healthy ka, ayun yung happiness namin. Sobrang masarap sa puso. Ang lakas natin kay God. Ang lakas mo kay God. Wala ka pang 2 months, I went back to my job. Kasi kailangan kong i-provide lahat ng pangangailangan mo. Nag-breastfeed ako sa'yo ng 1 buwan lang kasi wala akong enough na milk. Everyday, kahit na sobrang pagod na pagod si mami, I don't know, but pag nakakita kita, nawawala yung lahat. Kala nga di totoo yung ganun eh. Mas nag-matured ako sa buhay. You helped me to become a better person. Ang dami mong tinuro sa akin, nak. You made my life more colorful. You saved me from darkness. Hearing and seeing you laughing is my weakness and happiness. Wish ko for you, anak, na sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at malusog. Sana gumaling ka na. But I believe in you and I believe in God. Alam ko gagaling ka. Maging mabuti kang tao. I promise you that I will do my very best to be your good provider, your good mother, best friend, and your best everything. I can't be a perfect mom to you because we do have ups and downs, but I promise you na I'm always gonna be here with you since day 1 until my last breath. I love you so much, Savriel. Thank you for coming to my life. Sana, anak, magustuhan mo tong birthday celebration na hinanda ni Mami for you. Di mo naman na ito matatandaan, pero I really wanna make it really special for my very special baby. May the God always guide and bless you. And yep, happy 1st birthday. Love, Mommy Shark.